All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjective. So political, relating to politics. That was a political meeting. This political idea might work. Definitely. These are the political points to make. There are a lot of political talking points to mention. Yes, there's always something political that's happening. There is always something political that is happening. Yeah. Political. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Those were different political thoughts. Yes, we had different political ideas back then. We are learning new political rules. Now, do you think those political ideas will stand the test of time? Will they stand the test of time? I don't know. Maybe not. They will start a new political party. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, we think that this political party has a lot of opportunities and chances. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, political. Yeah. Relating to politics. Now, can you write political in a sentence, Language Explorer? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy, as well as by searching English with Adrian, or simply Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.